Welcome to the Loubby AI dashboard. In this video, I'll walk you through the Templates feature, which connects with several other parts of the platform. To access it, go to your side menu, expand More, and click Templates. Here, you'll find 5 tabs: Performance, Paid Time Off, Unpaid Time Off, Bonus, and Allowance. Templates created here can be viewed, edited, or deleted. Let's create a paid time off template. Click Add Template. Select the type. For example, sick leave. Set the number of days. Name it Sick Intern Template. And confirm. Template created successfully. You can also edit it. For instance, change it to personal leave with 5 days. Let's create another, volunteer leave, 3 days. Named Paid Time Off for Interns. And just like that, it's created. Or delete it by confirming in the Delete modal. These templates can be applied when onboarding a new team member or editing an existing one. Edit a team member, and you'll see 7 tabs: Basic Info, Compensation, Time Off, Documents, Credentials, Checklist, and Preview. In Compensation, you can add an allowance template or a bonus template. In Time Off, you'll see the Sick Intern template we created, showing 5 days. Proceed through the tabs, review on the preview page, and submit. Now let's look at Performance templates. Go to the Performance tab in the side menu. Click Start Review and select General Review. Fill in the details. Name, Performance Review, Description Schedule, One time only. Start date, Monday. Self-evaluation. Due date, optional. Let's set it to September 5th. Choose team members, all or specific ones. Since this is a self-evaluation, everyone is a reviewer. Then, under Evaluation Questions, import from Template. Here you'll see the Performance Queue template questions, which can be edited, deleted, or updated. review the setup, and submit the review. You can also create new templates from here, view existing ones, or delete them as needed. And that's how to use the Templates feature in Loubby AI, covering paid and unpaid time off, bonus, allowance, and performance templates. Thank you, and have a nice day.